How to turn off X-sensitive content on Android mobiles. So hello guys, in this quick tutorial video, I will tell you how you guys can do that. For that, I will simply open X. Here you guys will see on top left corner profile pic, so simply click here. Now here you guys will scroll. Now you guys can see setting support, so simply click here. Now you guys will click on setting and privacy. Now here you guys can see your account security and account access. Also, when you guys scroll, you guys will see privacy and safety, so simply click here. Once you click here, you will see audience and tagging your post content you used. Also other things, so simply click on content you use. You see, here you guys will see explore settings, search settings, sensitive media. So simply click on sensitive media. Once you click on sensitive media, you guys will see graphic violence, error content, others, so simply click on graphic violence. Here you guys can see show other off it. Now error content you guys can see never show this simply or show all you guys is depend on you. The third one is other, you guys can also one and select never show this. So that's how you guys can do that. Thanks for watching.